Do you want to bring back that nostalgic iPhone ringtone? We'll show you how to set the iconic classic iPhone ringtone on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. But this will also work on older iPhone models as well. So follow my steps. We're gonna open the settings on our iPhone and then scroll a bit down until you see the sounds and haptics sections. I'm gonna open that, and now our job is to find this ringtone option. You'll see the new ringtones on this list, but we don't want that. We want that old ringtone. So locate this classic button and tap on it, and that will open a list of all the old iPhone ringtones which you can choose from. If you want that classic iPhone ringtone, it's called Marimba, so tap on it. And that's how to get the old and nostalgic ringtone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.